PK35 angle roll is designed to bend a variety of metal profiles, including angles, channels, flat bars, tubes, pipes, and rods. This versatility allows for a wide range of applications in metal fabrication. Ring rollers can handle different types of materials, including steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and other alloys. This flexibility is crucial for accommodating various project requirements and material specifications. Roll benders offer the flexibility of incorporating optional steel or plastic dies, enabling the rolling of diverse profiles, such as aluminum extrudes, square tubes, pipes, rods, and wrought irons. You can operate the profile bending machine in two positions: vertically for small rolling projects and horizontally, laid on its back, for longer sections of material. PK35 roller bender comes standard with one adjustable roll set that you can configure to roll flat bars, square bars, T-sections, and channels to suit your needs. Lateral roll guides facilitate the formation of coils. This tube roller comes with two powered rolls using a heavy-duty industrial motor and transmission. Available in both 220-volt single-phase and 600-volt three-phase versions. This machine can be equipped with optional digital readout to assist in monitoring the travel of the top roll, ensuring precise bending radius and preventing overbending. CSA-approved electric panel ensures safety and reliability. For pricing and details, reach out to us at novotechmachinetools.com.